The federal government is committed to reducing cancer-related deaths through investments in the health sector. Cancer centers, of course, across the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria, and support for the development of national nuclear medicines guidelines. Senior reporter Kazim Olawe reports.
Cancer is a major public health concern in Nigeria as thousands of lives are lost every year. The National Institute for Cancer Research and Treatment says cancer leads to an estimated 72,000 deaths annually and more than 102,000 new cases every year. In order to reduce the mortality rate, promote early detection and expand access to treatment of cancer, the federal government through the National Cancer Control and Nuclear Medicine Program and National Nuclear Medicine Technical Working Group have organized a workshop on the development of national nuclear medicine guidelines and policy. Speaking at the program, the Minister of State for Health, Isiaq Salako, says the federal government is building new cancer centers across the 6 geopolitical zones and will be ready to work with the suggested guidelines of the technical committee in order to reduce the prevalence of cancer in the country.
Nuclear medicine has potentials not only for diagnostic purposes, also for treatment purposes. And it's also in cancers, in several other areas that nuclear medicine is applicable. The federal government made provision for construction of 6 cancer centers of excellence, 1 per geopolitical zone in Nigeria.
Other key players at the workshop commended the current administration for supporting the development of a national nuclear medicine guidelines.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has made plans to establish nuclear medicine cancer centers and to ensure that both the principles and the policy and the guidelines of nuclear medicine.
Management of cancer, there are different modalities. What we are used to in part of the world is surgical. Somebody has breast cancer, you just go and remove it. But that is not the current trend, and that will not help most cancer. But there are other treatment modalities that are available, and key of it is nuclear medicine.
The event also featured the introduction of a new cancer screening kit in the country, and the minister says early detection can help in saving lives of the people. Participants at this gathering are expected to come up with guidelines and policies that can be later adopted by the federal government in supporting nuclear medicine in the country. Kazim Olawe, TVC News, Abeokuta.